Okay, Mr. Satya, see, one thing that you need to understand before I start these kind of questions is there is some interesting thing that you need to understand. If you look at these sums, now what you will find is I'll rewrite the sums A3 into A4. Yeah, this is the first sum. The second sum is F8 divided by F. The third sum is 4G square plus 9G square, and the fourth sum is 6K cube minus 5K cube. Is there any interesting thing that you guys notice when you see these four sums? Mr. Aryaman, Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya? There is a very interesting thing that you'll see. Anybody can give a solution. Mr. Aryaman.
So I can't spot the interesting thing.
Okay. Here the interesting thing is, if you look at the division and the subtraction, these two are J square terms. These two are K cube terms. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, are you able to see this?
Yes,
Now, if you look at these terms, A3, A cube can be multiplied by A4. F8 can be divided by a F. But try to do this, A3 plus A4. Or try to do this, A square plus A cube. Or maybe try to do this, F8 plus F. Mr. Aryaman, now are you able to see that interesting thing?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir.
सत्या जी क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं भाई को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या
So, I don't know how to
आपको क्या समझ
explain.
आया आपको क्या समझ आया जो अभी तक बोला
Like in the first question, the A is same.
Okay.
In the second question, F is same. So like that. Like in some questions, it's like let's take the example of first question. So it is A raised to power 3. So I think in some questions it can be B raised to power 4. So you're telling the both are same.
I'll repeat मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ basically what I'm trying to say is कि अगर x cube plus x square है और x cube minus x square है I'll simplify और x cube into x square है और x cube upon x square है Mr. Aryaman, what am I trying to say?
So the base numbers are all same.
Mr. Sarthak, what am I trying to say?
so that the base is same.
यार बेसिकली मैं ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि अगर x cube plus x square है इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है इसका सॉल्यूशन ये खुद ही है अगर x cube minus x square है इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है इसका सॉल्यूशन यही है बट अगर x cube into x square है तो इसका जो सॉल्यूशन है वो 3 plus 2 is equal to x raised to power 5 है और इसका जो सॉल्यूशन है that is x raised to power 3 minus 2 is equal to x है भैया अभी भी समझ नहीं आया
समझ आया
सत्या जी क्या समझ आया आर्यमन जी क्या समझ आया आपको
So that in addition and subtraction, you can't like subtract the power and add the power. But in multiplication and division, you can subtract and add the power.
Mr. Sarthak, what have you understood?
So that in addition and subtraction, there is no rule that there will be the same answer.
Mr. Satya, आपको क्या समझ आया
So that in addition and subtraction, the numbers are same, and in multiplication and division, like we have to do the subtraction and addition.
देखिए बेसिकली या
So
Yes.
I think so. Like it doesn't change in addition and subtraction.
देखिए सर देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ लाइक टर्म देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ अनलाइक टर्म मैं आपको सिर्फ ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि जब भी आप अलजेब्रा करेंगे व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज खासकर अलजेब्रा में व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज These two are unlike terms. Now these two unlike terms can't be added or subtracted to each other. Have you understood? Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But these two unlike terms, they can be multiplied with each other, they can be divided by each other. Mr. Sarthak, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, confusion?
No, sir.
See, basically what you need to do is, I think I had suggested also. Now, I do not know whether you have followed that or not. Now, in detail, this is a almost 1 hour lecture in which we have done algebra basics, algebra for beginners. Has anybody seen this?
Yes, yes, sir. Today.
Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, I saw it once.
Mr. Aryaman को शायद नहीं देखा. Mr. Aryaman, see, it will help you a lot कि अगर आप just go through this video. In detail, we have, discussed like and unlike terms. Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
बट अभी गाड़ी चलाने के लिए ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, आप अभी समझ आएंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर फिर भी डाउट होगा सो वी कैन डिस्कस इन डिटेल. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. मिस्टर सार्थक, इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस वीडियो, डू यू रिमेंबर दिस वीडियो, मिस्टर सार्थक? Last
Yes,
year we have recorded this video.
yes, I remember kind of bits and pieces.
Yeah.
I don't remember the whole.
So x cube and x square are unlike terms, but x cube plus 5x cube, they are like terms. Mr. Aryaman, any doubt? Mr. Aryaman, any doubt? Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this will get a bit slippery at times. You'll have to manage that. And if you want a detailed discussion, you can have a look at that video again. And still you have a doubt, we can have a discussion again. No problem. But these are very fundamental rules of the the road that we are walking on. So, Mr. Aryaman, are these terms like or unlike?
Unlike.
Mr. Satya.
So unlike.
So the answer would be, Mr. Aryaman?
5x square plus a square.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, these three terms, are they like or unlike?
X square and x cube are like, but the a square is unlike.
Sir, all the three terms are unlike for a simple reason that this is x square and this is x cube. This radical is called the degree of the term. Degree of the term. Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, are these two terms like or unlike?
Unlike.
Mr. Satya, are these terms like or unlike?
So unlike.
Mr. Satya, what will be the answer of this question? Mr. Aryaman?
So
Yeah, Satya.
so 5y square plus x cube.
Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for this question?
So 5y square plus x cube.
Mr. Aryaman, what will be the answer for this question?
5x to the power of 5 into a square.
Shabash. Very nice. Satya जी समझ नहीं आया.
समझ आया.
सत्या जी वो लड़के ने ये 2+3 कैसे कर दिया? मिस्टर सत्या.
So because when we multiply like two numbers, so the raised to power, like they both add. That's why it's 2 plus 3.
उन्होंने वो बेसिक जो हमारा एक्सपोनेंट का रूल है वो लगा दिया. आपको समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
See, if you look closely at this rule, this doesn't say that x raised to power m into y raised to power n. There is no rule like this. This would be equal to this only. Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya, Mr. Ariman, any doubts still?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
भाई जो आप एग्जांपल लेना चाहें वो देख लीजिए. I can take a sort of trivial example also. So for example, this is Mr. Satya. Now Mr. Satya is going to UK, London, and this is a UK citizen. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
ये ब्लॉन्ड मिल गई इनको वहां यूके में. आर्यमन जी आपको समझ आ गया?
हाँ, sir.
So Mr. Satya की मॉम ने बोला है कि भैया ऐसा है, you can talk to blonde, you can walk with blonde, but you can't marry the blonde. सत्या जी समझ नहीं आया?
समझ गया सर.
मिस्टर आर्यमन समझ नहीं आया?
समझ में आया, sir.
अरे भाई कल्चरल डिफरेंस है, इनकी मॉम को पसंद नहीं है. ये एक्स स्क्वायर है और ये वाई स्क्वायर है. मिस्टर सार्थक, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
तो अभी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस वाई स्क्वायर जो है वो तो नहीं हो सकता, बट एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू वाई स्क्वायर हो सकता है. या और अगर आपने इसको थोड़ा और सुंदर एग्जाम्पल करना हो तो ऐसे बना लीजिए. ये देखिए, मैं इसको थोड़ा और अच्छा एग्जाम्पल बना लेता हूँ. Then will be more clear. So this is x square, this is x cube. Now x square plus minus x cube तो नहीं हो सकता, but x square into x cube हो सकता है और x square upon x cube हो सकता है. Mr. Sarthak, still there is a doubt.
No, sir.
Mr. Ariman, still there is a doubt.
No, sir.
वही बात समझिए प्लीज, क्योंकि ये कंफ्यूजन चलेगी आपकी और इसीलिए मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. I'll spend some time, but still if you still want to revise this again, because this is Mr. Sarthak and me had discussed this when he was in 6th class last year. तो ये बहुत ही बेसिक है और this is a hour long video. तो अभी भी अगर डाउट है, you can have a look at that video again. उसमें काफी डिटेल में बात हुई है. So please try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you there is something called a like term and there is something called a unlike term. Like और unlike terms में the basic difference is, जो like terms हैं they can be added, subtracted, divided, multiplied, जो आप करना चाहते हैं सब कर लीजिए. But जो unlike terms हैं they can only be multiplied or divided. Sir, any doubts still?
No doubt, sir.
So this nothing will happen, same ही रहेगा. इसको आप ऐसे x square by y लिख सकते हैं. I'm sorry, इसको आप x square into y लिख सकते हैं. इसको आप x square upon y लिख सकते हैं. बट आपकी जो डेली अलजेब्रा में, जो 8th 9th क्लास में जो डेली अलजेब्रा में आपको आने वाला है, वो आने वाला है ये x square plus x cube, x square into x cube, x square divided by x cube. So this no solution. The question is the answer. This would be equal to x square upon x. I'm sorry. This would be equal to x2 plus 3. Rules of exponents will apply. This would be x raised to 5. Again here rules of exponents will apply. This will be equal to x2 minus 3 is equal to x raised to minus 1. सत्या जी आपको समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा?
समझ आ रहा है सर.
मिस्टर सार्थक, now I'll make another extension. So 5 plus x plus x square, 5 into x square, 5 into x upon x square. Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for the first part?
So it will remain 5 plus x plus.
Shabash, beta, shabash. Very nice. Mr. Satya, what will be the answer for this?
Sir, I think 5 into, like, there are x into x raised to power 2. So I think it would be 5 into 2 x raised to power 2. So 10 x raised to power 2.
5 into ये x है, ये x square है, यहाँ पर एक invisible 1 है. I am applying the rules of exponent. And this is equal to 5 into x cube and this I can write as 5x cube. Mr. Sarthak, आप यही बोल रहे हैं? और Mr. सत्या आप यही बोल रहे हैं?
क्या है?
Mr. सत्या आपका आंसर यही था 5x cube?
No, sir. I did it wrong. Okay, sir, I've understood now.
Okay, Mr. Arman, what will be the answer for third part?
It'd be 5 x 5x minus 1.
Now this can also be written as 5 upon x. Mr. Sarthak, आपको समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा?
So I can understand.
I'm sorry.
So I can understand.
Okay. See, please try to understand. Not in this class, but in the coming, once we have done with your exams, we will be doing these kinds of sums, and they will give you a further practice also. So, for example, please try to understand. Look at these examples: 8x plus 5y and 2x minus 7y. Now, what is being told is that please add these two terms. Now, when I have to add these two terms, 8x plus 5y plus 2x minus 7y. Mr. Ariman, which are the two terms I can add? Mr. Ariman.
You can add 8 and 2.
Shabash. And?
Or you can subtract 5 and 7.
Mr. Satya, समझ नहीं आया.
समझ आया.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So I can only add the like terms. So I can 8x plus 2x would be 10x and 5y minus 7y would be minus 2y. भाई समझ नहीं आ रहा, doubt आ रहा बहुत. Mr. Satya.
Yes, sir.
Doubt आ रहा?
No, sir.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
So let's say the answer was 5x and then 2y.
Okay.
So then, so the final answer would be 5x plus 2y.
Yeah.
Okay. So if the number is positive, then you just add them.
Let us take another example. Maybe that will help. So, for example, this 2a plus 8b plus 3a minus 6b. Now, 2a and 3a, they can be added. And 8b and 6, that is another like term. So, 2a plus 3a would be 5a and 8b minus 6b would be 2b. This would be the final answer. Mr. Ariman, have I answered your question?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Is there a doubt still?
No, sir. So we got this plus only because it was 2b, so it was a positive number. That's why you add.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me take another example. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, I'll be giving you homework from this exercise. So if you have any doubt, please ask me now. Mr. Sarthak?
I don't have any.
I'm sorry?
So I don't have any doubt.
Okay, shabash. So Mr. Ariman, what should I do now?
Okay, so you can subtract.
बेटा आप पहले ग्रुप बना लीजिए. पहले आप ग्रुप बना लीजिए. A square ले लिया आपने, और किसको लूं?
A cube.
नहीं, वो तो आप उसके साथ कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते ना. You will have to find another A square.
Then there's a square in the end also. Yeah.
Then what is the second?
Then b square, and then there's a b square there, and then there's another b square. Yeah.
Okay.
Then a cube and the third number and goes to the last one.
भाई सत्या कुछ समझ आ रहा है या नींद आ रही है?
समझ आ रहा है.
ये रिवाइज कर लीजिए प्लीज. ट्रिकी है, मैं आपको बार बार कहता जा रहा हूँ. ये सारी जितनी सड़क है, जो भी रोड है, सारी बहुत स्लिपरी. सो द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर क्लियर इट विल बी. नहीं तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आर्यमन जी आगे बताइए क्या करें.
Okay, so we will this thing a square into a square करेंगे.
बेटा a square plus a square.
Okay.
आप ऐसे कर लीजिए, आपको आसान लगेगा. माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए क्यूब प्लस ए क्यूब. अभी ठीक है?
हाँ.
आगे बोलिए.
So now we'll get so how will we add a square and a square?
जैसे आप ऐड करते हैं, जैसे आप 1 + 3 ऐड करते हैं.
So will we get 8 to the power of 3 or
I'm sorry, बोलिए.
or will it be a square plus a square? The answer for that.
No, a square has an invisible coefficient of 1. So this is 1a square plus 3a square. It is like saying I have 1 cat plus 3 cats. What is 1 cat plus 3 cat?
4 cats.
4 cats. So what will be this?
Oh, 4a square.
Shabash. What will be this?
This will be 2a cube.
Shabash. Please try this.
This will be 1b square.
And 1b square is usually written as
B square.
b square. भाई सत्या समझ नहीं आ रहा, नींद आ रही है.
समझ आ रहा है.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, आपके क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, ये इनका नहीं आने वाला. इनको तो अभी थोड़ी देर में आएगा तो इनको भी, बट थोड़ी देर तक आएगा. Mr. Arman, should we do another question?
No, sir, doubt is cleared.
नहीं भाई, कर लो. पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. आर्यमन जी बताइए क्या करें.
Okay, so a square and then there
पहले आप
is
ग्रुप्स बना लीजिए, पहले ग्रुप्स बना लीजिए. हाँ, शाबाश.
a square and then there's a square like 6a square, so that a square, so we pair those up.
ये बोलिए ना -8 a square b और 6 a square b.
हाँ.
Okay, शाबाश.
And then there'll be 3ab square with 5ab square.
शाबाश. Very nice.
Then there'll be ab with -4ab.
शाबाश. तो मैं सिंप्लीफाई थोड़ा ईज ऑफ कैलकुलेशन के लिए इनको पहले इकट्ठा लिख देता हूं. आपको समझ आ गया कि लाइक टर्म्स और अनलाइक टर्म्स क्या होती है? ये समझ आया या नहीं आया?
समझ में आया सर.
Okay, Mr. Arman, what will be the final answer?
So we'll get 2a square.
बेटा ये -8 है, ये +6 है.
Oh yeah, sir, sorry, -2a square plus 8ab square. We'll get -1 ab. So we'll get
ये -1 और -4 है.
हाँ sir.
तो आंसर क्या होगा?
So we'll get -5
सत्या,
ab.
समझ नहीं आ रहा बिल्कुल.
समझ आ रहा है सर.
Mr. Sarthak, we still have doubt.
No, sir.
So Mr. Sarthak, you can note down your homework. Question number 1 and question number 2. These all the parts are your homework. Would you be able to do this?
Yes, sir.
Would you be able to do this before Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just send me the scan also once you have done. Aryaman ji, idea लगा नहीं लगा?
हाँ सर, आप समझ में आया.
Shortly you will come to know. See, very shortly you will come to know कि मैं आपके साथ ये like और unlike क्यों discuss कर रहा हूँ. You will understand this in the next 15 minutes. Okay. So now I think अभी ये तो आपको बहुत simple लगेगा. See, we will require these like terms and unlike terms when we are. I'll show you why do we require this. When we are multiplying these two. Have you understood, Mr. Satya?
Yes sir.
ये जब करेंगे ना तो हमें like और unlike term के बारे में we need to know, and that is why I just went into the detail of understanding what is a like and unlike term. But what I'm suggesting is if you are still not able to understand what is a like and unlike term, just go through that video again. आपको समझ आ जाएगा. But I think अभी तक क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. So now quickly we'll go through these questions. Okay, Mr. Satya, what is the answer for this?
Sir, a raised to power 7.
What is the answer for this, Mr. Satya?
So b raised to power 25. Sorry, 10.
Mr. Satya, what is the answer for this?
So
This
d
is
raised.
B4. Yeah.
So okay, it's 4. So it is d raised to power 4.
Mr. Satya, what is the answer for this?
E raised to power 4.
Mr. Sarthak, what is the answer for this?
So G raised to power 32.
तो ये हमने बहुत डिटेल में किया हुआ है. मैं इसकी ज्यादा और R&D नहीं कर रहा. ये हमने काफी डिटेल में पहले भी किया हुआ है. Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for this?
So Y raised to power 14.
And now I think this will start making sense. Why they can be added or subtracted. So, Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for this?
13J raised to power 2.
13J square. And Sarthak, what will be the answer for this?
1K cube.
So 1K cube is written as K cube. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for this?
So 16B cube. So
Mr. Sarthak, what will be the answer for Mr. Satya, what will be the answer for this? Mr. Satya?
So 16b raised to power 3 plus, yes, 16b.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
no, sir.
सर एक्सपोनेंट का रूल ही लग रहा है, कुछ नई चीज नहीं चल रही, आप कंफ्यूज मत होइए. Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Exponents ही चल रहा है. Mr. Satya, what will be the answer for this?
So it would be 10 e raised to power 6 into 1 e raised to power 5. So it would become 10 e raised to power 6 plus 5, which would be equal to 11. 10 e raised to power 11.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, what will be the answer for this?
It will be 9h raised to power 9 upon 3h raised to power 3. So 9 divided by 3, so 3h raised to power 3. Sorry, 6.
Mr. Satya, are we clear?
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, how should I solve this?
So we have to do 10x divided by 2x. So it would be 5x. Then 5x raised to power 10 minus 2. So it is equal to 5x raised to power 8.
Mr. Aryaman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Satya, what will be the answer for this?
So 16a raised to power 5.
Satya ji, समझ आया?
Yes, sorry. Yes, yes.
Satya
12a
ji,
raised to power 5.
Satya ji, what I have suggested to you again and again is you need to redo the each and every lecture that we take.
Okay.
Otherwise, आपके नंबर नहीं आएंगे, फंस जाओगे आप. Satya ji, B part, how should I do it?
So 20b raised to power 4.
So, Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, how should I do this?
So 3c raised to power 3.
Mr. Satya, how should I do this?
So 3d raised to power 4.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shariman, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll do this. I'll just give you a brief of this. We'll do this now. 1 second.